Today, in this short video, I will demonstrate how to connect to the Synternet data layer testnet to live stream Ethereum transactions directly to your computer. We will subscribe to Ethereum transactions to demonstrate the Synternet data layer. Subscribing to blockchain events is a game changer in the blockchain community. By subscribing to blockchain data streams, we can focus our energies on writing event-driven code without costly infrastructure or the latency of polling third parties. For this project, we will first install the Keplr-Wallet extension to the Chrome browser. Think of the Keplr-Wallet extension as a secure container for the access tokens that will fund our project. Next, we'll connect the Keplr-Wallet to the Synternet Test Net blockchain. With this connection, we can use our access tokens to subscribe to data layer events from a variety of blockchains. For today's demonstration, we'll specifically subscribe to Ethereum transaction events and preview the real-time data flows. And finally, we will stream the Ethereum transactions to my computer for local processing. Let's begin. Installing the Keplr-Wallet extension only takes a minute or two. First, open Chrome, go to Settings, select Extensions, and then navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Keplr and click through the prompts to install the extension. Click. Create a new wallet to generate a recovery phrase, password, and name for your new wallet. Think of this digital wallet like a bank's safe deposit box. Your password is the everyday key, while the recovery phrase acts like a backup key the bank manager could use if you ever lost your key. In this case, if you forget your Keplr-Wallet password. Write down the recovery phrase on paper and follow the prompts to confirm you've securely recorded it. You'll then set a password and name for the wallet. For this demonstration on TestNet, we'll show these words in the clear, but remember that in real-life usage, the recovery phrase grants anyone complete access to your digital booty. Many people secure their recovery phrase by storing the paper copy in a safe deposit box at one or more trusted banks. Now, I will visit the Synternet data layer portal and click Connect Wallet. I enter the password for the wallet just created and request some free Amber TestNet tokens. On the left-hand side of the portal, there is a Get 100 Amber Tokens button. These tokens serve as the energy units for all Synternet testnet activities. After clicking the button, 100 Amber tokens are added to the account on the blockchain. You can request up to 300 Amber tokens per day from the Synternet Test Network. With our tokens in place, we're ready to register a project and subscribe to relevant blockchain data streams. Next, we'll create a Synternet project from which we will stream. We'll register a project called Ethereum Streams for our Ethereum blockchain transactions. This project registration is submitted to the blockchain, requiring a small amount of Amber tokens to approve the transaction. Once approved, the registration is broadcast across the blockchain, and within a minute, your project will be ready for data stream subscriptions. Now we click Go to Project to subscribe to the Ethereum transaction data stream. Search for and follow the prompts to subscribe to synternet.ethereum.tx. Next, allocate some Amber tokens to fund the data stream. Each gigabyte of data costs 2.5 Amber, so we'll allocate 25 Amber to receive up to 10 GB of Ethereum transaction data. Follow the prompts to approve the blockchain transaction. After this, your project will be capable of streaming all Ethereum transactions to listeners. Pro tip: always click the preview to confirm the data stream is active and see what the data looks like. When you click the preview button, the blockchain signals the data layer to begin the flow of the Ethereum transactions across the data layer. This may take 10–20 seconds depending on the blockchain load and the frequency of the data stream events. Once the data appears, you can click on individual transactions to view detailed fields and information. Now let's copy the project access token so we can pull this transaction stream to our home computer. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your project listed along with the ellipse icon. Click this icon to reveal and copy your project access token. This token will be essential for authenticating your computer's connection to the Synternet data layer. A pro tip: preview the data stream. That way you verify the data layer stream has data and will know what to expect when we stream the data to your computer. Now on my Mac, I set my access_token environmental variable and pass it to a Docker container that subscribes to and displays our Ethereum transactions stream. Once the Ethereum transactions flow, we can view them formatted, or we can set the piped environment variable to true to process each event on the command line. This old-school technique of stepwise refinement allows us to view, parse, filter, and process the real-time flow of data using standard Unix-based command line utilities.